How to redeem PayPal gift card. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to redeem a PayPal gift card that you have possibly received or purchased online through platforms such as g2a.com over here, where you are actually able to purchase PayPal gift cards. Now, in their website in PayPal, as you can see, there is no direct way for us to be able to easily redeem a gift card from PayPal, even if it's a PayPal gift card. The workaround through this, for us to be able to just get the money either way into our PayPal account, is to utilize a third-party platform called Rewardable. Rewardable.com allows us to redeem the money from our PayPal gift card by simply entering the code of our gift card and entering the email address of our PayPal account. After that, clicking on Redeem Now will redeem the value or the amount of money inside of the PayPal gift card into our PayPal account over here. Now, Rewardable is not limited to just PayPal. You could use it for many other platforms as well, as you can see here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.